Robin Palmer here, the inventor of LifeBike, portable pedals at LifeBike.co. Here I am social distancing in our front yard, and I am burning 300 calories every 30 minutes, easily and conveniently, with my legs or my arms. And according to Mayo Clinic's 2 months of research, I'm also increasing my blood flow by 96% to my brain and my body, which is key for your health, well-being, and longevity. You know, it's so important right now to keep boosting your immunity. And the way you can do that is with daily exercise, eating healthy food. I personally am a vegan because I love animals too much to hurt them. And I also eat organic food. I do my best not to eat poison. It's so important not to eat GMOs. And I also drink water. And most importantly, I found I keep my blood flowing easily and conveniently with my arms or my legs. Don't just sit there, pedal anywhere. Go to lifebike.co and have a very happy and healthy day, no matter where you are. At home, if you are going back to work, at your office, even in your car, if you need to get away from everybody for a while. Go to lifebike.co.